So this is Queenstown. For those of you who don't know, Queenstown is like the action city of New Zealand. So you can do pretty much any action sport here, from mountain biking, heli skiing, there are these speedboats, bungee jumping, skydiving or paragliding. You can do pretty much everything here. We decided to book a bungee jump, and we booked the highest one in the Nevis. Okay, so let me explain a bit how it works. You have a 45-minute bus ride or bus truck, whatever, to this small mountain. There you see the platforms, the swing and the bungee, and then you get your safety things on and you reach the platform with this small cabin. And after a few jumping off, it was my turn. So you get connected to the rope and you try to walk forward to this small platform. And the whole thing feels so unreal, because normally when you stand on a cliff or something high like that, you just have a wall in your head that says don't go one step further, and there you have to make this one step, and then you get the countdown and you just lean forward and let it happen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a 134-meter jump, so it takes about 8 seconds to reach the bottom peak. Then you bounce a few times and they pull you up again. I can't really describe how it feels, but overall it's just an awesome experience. So now we spend just a few more days in this lovely city. So that's it from Queenstown. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace!